Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the mouse cursor in Windows 11. First, open your settings. Go to Bluetooth and devices. Select mouse. Go to related settings. Choose mouse pointer and touch. Here you have different styles of your pointer. Black, inverted, custom. In custom version you can choose the right color. Also, there is an option to change the size of your pointer. Let's make it back. Also, there is an option for mouse indicator and circle around the mouse pointer when we press the Ctrl key. Let's try that. Also, there is an option to use mouse pointer trails. Let's try it. Additionally, you're able to change the length of them. If you want, you can add pointer shadow on your mouse pointer. That's it.